Meaning of derailment.
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 Derailment. Derailment refers to a situation where something veers off its intended course or fails to follow the expected path. It can refer to physical events like trains coming off their tracks, but it more often applies to metaphorical situations like a plan or project going awry. When something experiences derailment, it can result in delays, setbacks, missed opportunities, confusion, and potentially catastrophic consequences. Derailment is generally seen as undesirable and requires corrective action to get things back on track.